Top 30 Foods to Support Alcohol Detoxification. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouses of essential vitamins and minerals. These greens boost your immune system, improve eye health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, making them a vital part of your diet. Whole grains, including quinoa, brown rice, and oats, play a crucial role in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Their high fiber content ensures slow, steady digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar and keeping you energized throughout the day. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and fish are indispensable for sustained energy and muscle repair. They provide essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own, supporting tissue repair, hormone production, and a strong immune system. Citrus fruits, with their rich vitamin C content, are champions of your immune system. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits not only enhance iron absorption, but also contribute to skin health and reduce the duration of common colds. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, offer robust antioxidant support, protecting your body from inflammation and oxidative stress. Their high fiber and nutrients content also support heart health and improve blood sugar control, making them a sweet yet powerful ally. Nuts and seeds like almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are not just crunchy delights. They're packed with healthy fats that keep your heart in top shape. Their high fiber content also helps in maintaining a steady digestive rhythm, making them a smart snack choice. Herbal teas, including green tea, dandelion tea, and milk thistle tea, are your liver's best friends. These beverages offer a soothing experience while working hard to support liver health, making them an essential part of any detox regimen. Probiotic foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut go beyond just being tasty. They introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut, helping balance your digestive system. This equilibrium is vital for overall health, immunity, and even mood regulation. Garlic and onions might make you tear up, but they're tears of joy for your body. Their natural detoxifying properties help cleanse your system, fighting off toxins and enhancing your body's ability to ward off illnesses. Sweet potatoes and carrots are the colorful heroes of immune support. Rich in beta-carotene, they convert to vitamin A in the body, which is essential for maintaining a strong immune system and ensuring your eyes stay sharp and focused. Beetroot is celebrated for its ability to purify the blood and enhance liver functions. Its rich color comes from betalains, potent antioxidants that fight inflammation and support detoxification, making it a powerhouse for cleansing and revitalizing the body. Avocados are not just for guacamole. They're a source of essential fiber and healthy fats, particularly beneficial for digestive health. Their creamy texture and nutritional profile support the body's ability to absorb other nutrients while also promoting a healthy gut. Ginger and turmeric are the dynamic duo for combating inflammation and providing relief from nausea. Both spices are known for their medicinal properties, with turmeric's curcumin and ginger's gingerol offering antioxidant benefits that contribute to overall wellness. Water plays a critical role in hydration, but incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery can add a nutritional boost. These foods are high in water content and essential vitamins, aiding in detoxification and keeping the body refreshed. Asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush toxins from the body. Its high levels of amino acids stimulate the production of insulin, which in turn aids in the detoxification process, making asparagus an excellent choice for supporting kidney and liver health. Seaweed stands out as a superfood, brimming with essential minerals that support overall health. It plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by aiding in the removal of heavy metals, thanks to its unique composition that includes iodine and other vital nutrients. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts belong to the family of cruciferous vegetables, known for their rich content of detox enzymes. These vegetables are instrumental in supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to break down and eliminate harmful substances more efficiently. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, especially high in amino acids, which are vital for liver recovery. The liver plays a significant role in detoxifying the body, and the amino acids in eggs support this organ in functioning optimally, promoting overall health. Artichokes are not just a delicious addition to your diet. They also boost liver health significantly. By increasing bile production, artichokes help in digesting fats and detoxifying the body, making them an essential food for maintaining a healthy liver. Peppers, including both bell peppers and chili peppers, are loaded with vitamins A and C. These nutrients are not only essential for immune function, but also play a role in detoxification. The antioxidants found in peppers help to protect the body from harmful toxins. Tomatoes are a powerhouse of nutrition, notably rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant. This compound is known for its ability to combat oxidative stress, which can protect the body from cellular damage and support overall health. Legumes, encompassing beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are celebrated for their high fiber and protein content. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management and metabolic health. Bananas stand out for their high potassium levels, an essential mineral for maintaining electrolyte balance and normal muscle function. This makes them an ideal snack for athletes or anyone looking to support their body's hydration and recovery process. Apples are not just a tasty fruit. They are also a great source of pectin, a type of fiber that aids in the removal of toxins and supports digestive health. Eating apples regularly can contribute to a healthy gut and improved nutrient absorption. Walnuts are revered for their omega-3 fatty acid content, nutrients crucial for brain health. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can support cognitive function, reduce inflammation, and contribute to a healthier heart, making them a smart choice for a snack. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a seasonal delight. They are packed with magnesium, a vital mineral for mood regulation. Incorporating these seeds into your diet can help alleviate stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Cinnamon and cardamom don't just add flavor to your dishes, they're powerful spices for managing blood sugar levels and providing antioxidant protection. Their sweet, warm flavors can transform any meal into a health-boosting experience, supporting your body's natural defenses. Zucchini and squash are the unsung heroes of hydration, brimming with water content and essential nutrients. These versatile vegetables can support your body's hydration needs while offering a bounty of vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling energized and nourished. Coconut water is nature's sports drink, offering a rich source of natural electrolytes essential for hydration and recovery. Whether you're an athlete or just looking for a refreshing beverage, coconut water can help replenish your body's fluids and support overall health. Oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are treasures of the sea, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Incorporating these fish into your diet supports heart health, brain function, and can even improve mood, making them vital for a balanced diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.